TRO video.
This is about improving your close rate with video. Salespeople are expensive, okay? All their time is expensive. Every time they take a meeting, that costs the company money. So what you want to do is protect their time, okay? And you can protect their time with video. So think about every single first meeting they take that doesn't move on to the next stage.
That would be a waste of time.
So the faster you can get them to stop talking to idiots that are never gonna buy anything, the better off you are. So what you wanna do is send them a short video before the meeting. Hey, we're meeting tomorrow, can't wait to talk with you. Please watch this 60-second video. We wanna make the most of our time together. And you can couch it like, hey, I'm trying to be respectful of your time and make sure that we can get the most out of this meeting. And in reality, you don't wanna waste your own time either. And inside of this video, you can do things like price bracketing. You could talk about engagement. You can make the process look easy. You could talk about the current kind of clients you usually work with, and they see like, oh, I don't fit in that at all. Maybe we shouldn't talk.
Hey, it's been a pleasure doing business with you, but I'm leaving.
Great. The outcome is the less people that go to the first meeting, the better. If you could only just take that first meeting with people that are gonna go somewhere.
You have chosen wisely.
So improve your close rate with video. We'll see you next time. Silas, catch this drumstick before it hits the camera. Whoosh.